archers each compete in an archery competition. So there are 20 teams and each team has got 5 archers. So what is the total number of person? Can you say the number of archers? There how much? There is 20 into 5, which is equal to 100. An archer finishing in the kth place contributes k points to his team and there are no ties. So all these 100 people have got 100 different positions. So first position, the first position will get 1 point, the second position will get 2 points, third position will get 3 points, fourth position will get 4 points, and so on. So can we find out what is the total number of points? So we can say the total number of points. Okay, one of the person who will be ranked first, he will get 1 point. The person who will be ranked 2, he will get 2 points. Person with rank 3 will get 3 points. And all the 100 person has given will get 100 different ranks here. So plus 100. So the total number of points which is distributed is sum of the first 100 natural number. And what is the sum of the first 100 natural number? That is 100 into 101 by 2. So which will be comes out to be 50 into 101. So this is the total number of points which will be distributed. And the team that will win, that will be the one that has the least score. Okay. So I'll say let the least score be S. Let the least score be S. So one of the team has got S points and rest all the teams will get more than S point. Alright. So what is the minimum value of S? Can I say the minimum value of S is nothing but that will be equal to if 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So one particular team, a particular team can get a minimum of how many points? That is 15 points. Sum of first 5 natural numbers, there are 5 person, one of them has got first rank, second person has got second rank, third one of the person has got third rank, and so on. So the minimum possible value of S is nothing but that is equal to 15. Sum of first 5 natural numbers, which is 15. And now we need to find out what is the maximum possible value of S. Alright. Now, as we know that each of the team will get more than S, that the team which won, that is the team with the least possible score. Okay. So if I say, let's say the maximum possible value of S is nothing, the maximum possible, the least score is S, remember. And I need to find out what is the minimum value of S and what is the maximum value of S. So if I say, let's say one of the team has got S point and this team is the winner. So rest all the team has got, let's say, I'll say how much point, that is S plus 1 point, S plus 1, S plus 1 minimum, that will be S plus 1 and S plus 1, I'll say. And what is the sum of all these values? These are 19 teams. Okay, these are 19 teams. So can I say in this case, what is going to happen here? That S plus 19 into S plus 1. This total value, it can be equal to how much? Can I say it will be equal to maximum total number of points is this one. So it has to be always total number of points by all the 20 team. It has to be always less than equal to 50 into 101. So what did I get here? That is 20S. S plus 19S, that is 20S. It is less than equal to 50 into 101. Okay. So what is the value of 50 into 101? That will be 5050. So 50 into 101, I am writing out. That is 5050 minus 19. You can subtract 19 from this. So S will be, comes out to be less than equal to 5031 upon how much? By 20. So if we divide 5031 by 20, the value will be, comes out to be 251.55. So S will be less than equal to 251.55. So what is the maximum value of S? So I can say maximum value of S. It is nothing but that is 251. It has to be an integer. And the minimum value we know that is 15. And the maximum value of S is nothing but that is 251. So if I count 15, 16, 17 and so on till 251. So minimum possible value of S is 15, maximum is 251. So the winning team can get any points in this particular range here. So what is the total number of points? I can say 251 minus 15 plus 1. I need to count how many numbers are there from 15 to 251. So you can simply count You can say directly 251 minus 14, or last term minus first term plus 1. You can use any of the method as per your wish here. So that will be coming out to be 237. So the correct answer for this question is 237, which is option number B. Thank you.